How's it going, everybody? I got a finishing touch-up repair tip for you today. Finishing up a series of beaded drawer frames here, and I got just a little dink. I don't know what you want to even call it. I thought I could probably, I don't know what I was doing. I just probably moving too fast. And I don't know if you can see that there. I've already sanded it, so it's not that visible. But I've got to do some filling, and it's on a corner. So there's a whole bunch of ways you could do it. We talked about Bondo and shellac sticks and all that. 100 ways to skin a cat. But in this case, I'm going to be using some Famowood. So Famowood is an acetone-based wood filler. It's great stuff. It dries fast. And it does dry out, so you take a little acetone before you store it away and close it up with that. Talked about that before, but it comes in a variety of colors, and you can intermix it. In this case, I'm starting out with walnut, but as you can see, these are much darker. This is a real dark stain, so I want to first darken that up a little bit. In addition, I'm concerned about the adhesion. So this is a tip I got from Greg Johnson. If you don't know Greg Johnson, he's a world-renowned restoration, good friend of mine, also worked at Wendell's. And to get adhesion, because I'm a little concerned, I'm right in the corner there, you want to add a little white glue. So in this case, I'm actually taking it up a step, and I'm adding a melamine glue. This is better for plastic and adhesion for different materials. So in this case, I'm going to take just a dab of white glue, put a dab of white glue in there. I'm also going to add a little dark walnut blend all powder and a touch of black. The black will go a long way. And a little dab of alcohol. So that will now pigment the glue a lot darker. Kind of mix that up. Not to say that this is going to have to be touched up with some color pigment after, but it's nice to start with a darker base so you can kind of see that color there. Then I can add about 50% of the Famowood and mix that in there. So basically what I'm doing is I'm adding glue to the Famowood. And we found out that this really increases the adhesion of the Famowood. So there's that. It's drying out just a little bit here, so I'm going to add a touch more glue to this. As I said, the color is going to have to be touched up anyhow. So now I've got a nice sort of sticky wood putty. And I'm going to go ahead and grab some of that. And put that right on that edge. Leave it proud. I've pre-sanded so we can get some mechanical bond. There we go. Get the glare out of the way so you can kind of see what's going on there. Fill that little focus there. Fill that little bit there. When that dries, I'll be able to sand it out and I'll have good adhesion. Then I'll finish it over and I'll add a little color after that. So good tip. So there you go. That worked out really well. So you remember that? You see a nice sharp corner now. Touch up tricks. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Imagine Grove, or go to Imagine Woodworking and get access to all my sites. Appreciate that. Thanks again for watching. Okay, bye.